What's up guys, so in this video we will be unboxing the brand new newly launched OnePlus 7. So without any further ado, let's begin. Okay, and you can see go beyond speed. Okay, I'm sure go beyond speed. OnePlus 7. Let's crack it open. Alright, I'm very excited for this one because this is gonna be my first premium flagship platform. So yeah, let's take this aside and woof, what feels good, man. Okay, it has a 7 on top. Just gonna remove this thing and very minimal box here, and let's see if we have tabs. No tabs. Boom. Okay, OnePlus logo. Okay, so let's see what's here. First thing, the box. We gotta see the box. Ha. Okay, so let's just see what do we get here. Okay, so we get this case, which is okay, decent quality. Okay, and little here. Let me just have a look. And okay, so what do we get in here? We get a SIM adapter, SIM ejection tool, whatever. Okay, we got this tool thing. Yeah, this is a poster. It says go beyond speed. So it has some physical dimensions of the phone, etc. We're just gonna keep it aside. Then we have some OnePlus stickers, and yo, these look good. Okay. We have this little card here. I think was getting something from the OnePlus company. Let's see that. Yeah. Okay, and this is the thing we were there for. So this is the OnePlus 7. And okay, let's keep it aside. And here is the event. Welcome. Invitation letters. Okay. Bad message of whatever. Okay, I can read this. Wasn't read it. Okay. So we get is the charger, which is a dash charger, and I suppose that it is, I don't know, I think it should be somewhat around 20 watts or something like that. It's a dash charger. And one last thing in the box is the cable, which does not come out. Yeah, thank you. Okay, this is the cable. I don't know. Okay. So whatever. This is the cable. So now, tear it off. And here we have. This is the USB-A to USB-C fast charging cable. OnePlus has one of the best fast charging. We all know that. Okay. Now let's just take a look at the phone itself. And okay, on the first touch, I have to say the phone does feel pretty solid. It's not a light phone, it is heavy. So the main difference with this phone is that first of all we have a larger speaker here, front facing speaker. So no headphone jack, also no dongle in the box. Yeah, and it also has a in-display fingerprint scanner, and I think it has a pre-applied screen protector. Okay, so one day with the OnePlus 7. Now I'll give you my initial thoughts on this phone. Okay, so it has a good screen, obviously, and it is the fingerprint scanner, which is faster than the older ones. I think so, because I think it's fine. The speed is fine for a fingerprint scanner. Also, if you have a look at this wallpaper once, it's really cool how this thing just look at that. It looks awesome. Right. Okay, and if you can see, the phone is really, it has this kind of a purplish feel. You can't really see it in the video, but it's actually kind of a purple and gray shade. It's really cool. Look at it, it says. Okay, so more things I would like to say about the phone is that you look away the microphone up top. So that is how the phone looks. We have this kind of it's big, the screen is good. I think it's really sharp. I mean, it's not the most highest resolution screen I've ever seen, but it's really a crisp display. So yeah, it's crispy. Okay, and also I would have to look at the camera app one. So there's a quick comparison. Okay, so there are two photos I've taken. One I've taken with the stock OnePlus camera. The other one is taken using the Gcam mode. So when you have a look at these things, the OnePlus camera is fine. It's a good sensor, but the OnePlus algorithm just kind of make the colors pop. If you just look at this, this is kind of too blue. I mean, the photo looks fine. It looks good enough, but just as when you see the photo by the Gcam mode, you can actually see that the colors are more true to life. They look more realistic and they're not oversaturated or overworked. So that is one thing. See the difference. It's the same phone. Yeah. Okay, and I think the phone feels fast. It's a Snapdragon 855 and it's a 6.4 AMOLED display, if you're just wondering. The phone is fast. You can just run really photos. Everything loads fast. One of the fastest you see. Obviously, you cannot get a seriously. You cannot get a better processor right now in the Android side of things. Right. So, and also one cool thing is that this speaker up top also doubles as a front-facing speaker. So it kind of gives you that stereo effect. I mean, it's really good if you can. But the thing is, I mean, when you're hearing to music or any video, the audio comes straight at you, at least from one side, so it kind of feels good. I mean, still not better than the front-facing speaker here. I guess if they have done this here, they could have done that here as well, but okay, whatever. That's how the phone looks. A USB-C port and two speaker grills. Only one of these grills has a speaker. That's not something OnePlus is doing. Many companies do the same thing. Only the sound only comes from one of these. This one, the other one is just for, you know, another output. Okay, so let's do a quick speaker test here. Where is this? Oh, no, let's go. Okay, right. So search stuff here. So you have it, and I'm gonna turn on the volume to full. Right, and I'm gonna have that stereo. Okay, so on the loudest part, also the speakers don't sound bad. I think they're pretty good. And also I'm really happy with OnePlus and its Indian pricing. The OnePlus 7 is priced really well in India. So yeah, that's the thing. And like the Oxygen OS, as we know it, it's really good. It's really fast and really snappy. And well, there's nothing more left to say, I guess, because yeah, that's it. Camera app is good. I think I'll do a main review. I don't know. I may have no idea if I would. But one thing I would like to say is that I would have liked if the portrait shots from this camera had better edge detection. I mean, it's pretty bad. I mean, if I look at some portrait shots, the edges are not well defined and it's kind of a mess. So hopefully OnePlus upgrades on that. Do something like, and yet again, this is a good device. And even the first impressions look fine, and we're gonna get some decent. I really like those wallpapers. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you next time.